Bonjour, boys. Okay, so today we have to do the activity. You have to put stickers, okay, according to sentence. What you have to do? First, you have to write subject pronouns. First, you have to paste subject pronouns here. Okay, what we call subject pronoun in French, we say pronom fusé. So you have to paste here. Okay, what we call I in French. Then you have to put être verb. Okay. Être verb means to be, so you have to put être verb according to subject. Okay, then you have to put images. Okay, so first Yashashvi you will do. Okay, what you have to do?
I means J.
Speak loud. Okay.
I means J,
Yeah.
and the être verb of I is shoe.
Swiss.
Swiss.
Okay.
Just shoes.
What is the meaning of just Swiss?
I am.
Okay. Then you have to.
Then we have to paste the image.
Okay. What we call this?
I.
Whole sentence. What is this meaning?
Just shoes. I am.
Okay. Again. Just Swiss.
I am.
Okay. Now Siddharth, you will do second one. Now Siddharth, start do.
Okay. Means to.
You means you. Yeah. You paste it. Okay. Yeah. Now. This is a être verbs. Yeah. What is the meaning of this? What is the tu a? What is the meaning?
You means to.
Are. That means you are. Yeah. Then you have to paste a picture. So what is the meaning of this?
To means you. Means you are.
Yeah. What is the meaning this? You
Means to.
whole.
You are.
Okay. Très bien. Very good. Now Parth come. Now you have to do this one. Okay. Put the subject in French. Okay. Then you have to put être verb. Then you have to put according to this image. Okay. Yeah. What we call he in French?
Ill.
Il. What is the meaning of il?
Means he.
Okay. Okay. Now you have to put. What do you have to put here?
Être verb.
Okay. What is the meaning of être verb?
Means subject conjunction verb.
That means to be. Être means to be. Okay. Not conjunction. Okay. Now you have to. Okay. So what is the meaning of this?
Il est.
Il. What is the meaning il? What is the meaning of il?
He is.
Where is il?
In A.
Okay. Now paste image. Should I remove? Wait a minute. Okay, what is the meaning of this?
He
Look
is.
into the camera.
He is.
And what we said in French?
Il est.
Okay, très bien. Very good. Now who will come? Bonjour Dev. So now you have to do the fourth one. Okay. First, what you have to do? You have to paste here subject pronouns. Okay. What is the subject pronoun of she in French? Okay. Then we have to paste a sticker of être verb. Okay. Which être verb is coming? Être verb according to subject. Okay. So now first paste she. What we call she in French?
Il.
L. It's not L. Okay. L. The pronunciation is L. This one.
Il. That means she.
Okay. Now you have to paste adverb according to subject. Okay.
Is a. That means is.
Okay. Paste it. So now tell me the meaning. L-A. Okay. L-A.
L means she. EST means
E-S-T नहीं, it's A. L-A. L-A, that means she. Paste the image.
मेरे पेरेंट्स का कहेंगे मैम दिख तो कुछ भी नहीं है
Now paste the image. Okay, so what is the meaning?
she is
L-A. Okay,
L-A.
okay, très bien.